Okay, so welcome back. So we are now, I'm going to introduce to you on how to extract SF10 from this given grading system. So to do that, so if you are in this particular data entry sheet, so first that you're going to do is to select this to SF10 hyperlink text. Okay, so once you're going to choose that one, so what you're going to do first, so you're going to unprotect this particular sheet. So to unprotect that one, we're going to go to review, then choose this one. Yan. Dapat naka-unprotect na po yan siya. So yan, unprotect sheet na po yan siya. So afterwards, pag naka-unprotect sheet na po siya, so we're going to go to this particular sheet. Yeah, you're going to right click this one using the right button of your mouse, then choose move or copy. So once you are done in choosing that one, so create, you choose this to book, new book, then create a copy. Then check po natin yung create a copy, then press OK. So afterwards, if you're going to encounter this particular notice, just press yes. No? So once we are in here, so as you can see, meron po tayong link na para sa names and para sa mga grades. So kailangan po natin mag-break links ng pangalawang beses kasi yung first link is for the names or the information that was in here. And the second one is para sa mga grades. So to break the link in the names, so first is that you're going to go in data menu. Then afterwards, you're going to choose edit links, then break link. Okay? Break link lang po tayo, break link. Then close. So as you can see, wala na pong external link yung mga names natin or information. So, but meron pa tayong external link para sa mga grades natin. So, all you're going to do para matanggal po yung external grades ng mga grades natin na nandito. Okay, nandito yan siya. So, first is that you're going to go to formulas menu, then choose name manager. So, dito po sa name manager, marami po siya mga external link. Link po ito doon sa original source ng grading system. So, i-delete po natin ito except sa what we call this one, print area. Okay lang po yung print area kasi yung print area internal po yan siya, hindi po siya nakalink sa external. Okay? So delete po natin to, delete. Simply just press delete this one. Okay? As well as this school year, delete. Okay. Close. So as you can see, meron pa rin tayong links dito sa what we call this one, sa grades natin. So tinanggal yung external link natin, pero yung mga nila sa names, pero hindi pa natin gitanggal yung links talaga. So to break that one again, so go to the data menu, then edit links, then break link. So as you can see, this time wala na po tayong mga external links. So as you can see, so wala na po yung mga links na yung mga files na makikita dito. Okay, so we're going to close that one. So as you can see also in our grades, so puro na po yan siya mga values. So the very purpose why we should break the links so that this particular file will not go to error. So in other words, kasi pag i-transfer po ito natin siya sa kabilang storage device like flash drive or another hard drive, so in other storage devices, so pag wala po yung original natin na yung source na file na ito, kung siyempre diba naka-external link man siya doon, so kung naka-link siya doon tapos hindi niya mahanap kung saan yung particular na file, mag-error po itong particular what we call this one, file. Okay? So afterwards, we're now going to save. So dito po tayo, file or sa office button, then save as, then i-save po natin, saan natin nilagay yon. So, for example, dito sa akin, dito i-save natin. Raymar, Agbon, Agbon, Raymar, S. Okay? So, yan na po ang para kay Raymar, Agbon, Raymar, S. So, what we call this one, ready na po ito para sa reading ng para kay Agbon na SF10. So, yan po din ang gagawin nyo sa ibang mga learners. So, ginawa ko yung para kay Agbon. So, kayo na po bahala sa the rest of your learners. So, kung matapos na po ninyo, ito na po yung hitsura ng mga different files. Ito na po yung final output. Nandito na po yung lahat ng mga ginawa natin. Yung para kay Agbon, Alcazar, so on and so forth. So, that's it. Thank you.